guys, Blunderluck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing JBL by HARMAN C530 TWS. So we can have a look around the box. It just has the picture of the device, the JBL, the charging case, and also the AirPods. This actually won the Red Dot Award 2019. So it apparently has 5-hour battery time once has a full charge. So let's look at the back. So at the back it just says pure base 0 cables and just has some basic information about the device. Overall the case feels really nice. It feels premium, but let's see what's inside, then we can decide if it's premium or not. So open it up, we have the charging case, and once you open that, we've got the 2 AirPods put in. Actually they have indicator lights, both of them, and the case also has an indicator light to show the charging. It shows the left side and the right side here. So let's put this away. Let's see what else is in the box. So we've got the charging cable, which is actually a micro USB. This is a micro USB cable. Okay, another micro USB device. Alright, so we've got some extra air plugs. Then we've got the instructions. So let's put this to the side. Let's open this up. Okay, so once you take it out, it has indicator lights here and here. Okay, so we're gonna try and connect this up to a device, and we're gonna have a sound test. We're gonna listen to some music, and maybe if you guys want to see a comparison video between the Impulse 12 and the JBL, then why don't you guys subscribe to the channel and smash that like button, and we're gonna upload the video talking about the differences between these two. So why don't I connect the Wi-Fi? Why don't I connect the Bluetooth now, and we can listen to some songs. Okay, just wait a little bit. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, so this is actually at full sound. The bass sounds pretty good. I mean, right off the bat I can tell you guys that this is better than the Impulse, probably better than the TWS i12s. But I'm gonna do a comparison between all of them so you guys can see which one suits you, because all of them sort of come around the same price range, but the JBL is a bit more expensive. Okay, so that's the sound test for the JBLs. Actually, it sounds pretty awesome. Like I really like the sound. It really has an amazing bass. The bass of it feels really good, and overall I like the design of the AirPods itself. So and it has some basic functions like tap to stop the music and tap to play the music. So I'm going to show you guys. This is the music. Just one tap, it plays the music. One tap, it stops the music as well. And it also has call functions for the phone, to answer the phone and to disconnect the call as well. So I'm gonna leave the description for where to buy this in the link below, so you guys can have a look at it if you're interested in buying this. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys.